Foxconn, the world's largest electronics manufacturer, has recently announced plans to establish a new factory in India. This move comes as part of the company's efforts to expand its production capacity and meet the growing demand for its products. However, the establishment of the new factory in India has not been without its challenges. In this article, we will explore the history of Foxconn's operations in India, its production capacity, the challenges faced by Indian employees, and Apple's orders and Foxconn's response. Foxconn's history in India can be traced back to 2006, when the company established its first manufacturing facility in Chennai, located in the southern part of the country. At the time, the facility primarily focused on the production of computer components and electronic products. The establishment of this facility marked Foxconn's entry into the Indian market, which was seen as a strategic move to expand its global operations. Over the years, Foxconn has continued to expand its operations in India, setting up new facilities in several locations across the country. Today, the company is one of the largest employers in India's electronics manufacturing industry, with a significant presence in several states, including Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. In recent years, Foxconn has been actively involved in the Indian government's Make in India initiative, which aims to promote domestic manufacturing and attract foreign investment. As part of this initiative, the company has announced plans to invest $5 billion in India over the next 5 years, with a focus on developing the country's electronics manufacturing industry. Foxconn's operations in India have not been without their challenges. The company has faced criticism from several human rights organizations for its treatment of workers in its Indian factories, including reports of poor working conditions, long working hours, and inadequate safety measures. In response to these criticisms, Foxconn has implemented several measures to improve working conditions in its Indian factories, including the establishment of a grievance redressal mechanism and the provision of training programs for workers. Despite these challenges, Foxconn's operations in India continue to play a significant role in the country's electronics manufacturing industry. The establishment of new facilities in India is expected to significantly increase the company's production capacity and help it meet the growing demand for its products. As Foxconn continues to expand its operations in India, the company must prioritize sustainability and social responsibility in its operations, ensuring the well-being of its employees and the communities in which it operates. The establishment of the new factory in India is a significant move by Foxconn to increase its production capacity and meet the growing demand for its products. The factory will focus on the production of smartphones, tablets, and other electronic devices, which are in high demand globally. With the establishment of the new factory, Foxconn aims to strengthen its position in the global electronics market and maintain its reputation as the world's largest electronics manufacturer. India is an attractive destination for electronics manufacturers due to its large consumer market, low labor costs, and favorable government policies. The establishment of the new factory in India will enable Foxconn to tap into these advantages and take advantage of the country's growing demand for electronic products. The new factory is expected to significantly increase Foxconn's production capacity, enabling the company to produce more electronic devices and meet the growing demand for its products. The increased production capacity will also help Foxconn to reduce its production costs and improve its profit margins. With the establishment of the new factory, Foxconn will be able to offer its customers more competitive pricing and faster delivery times, which are critical factors in the highly competitive electronics market. The increased production capacity will also enable Foxconn to take on more orders from its customers and expand its customer base. Overall, the establishment of the new factory in India is a strategic move by Foxconn to expand its global operations and strengthen its position in the electronics market. The increased production capacity will enable the company to meet the growing demand for its products and maintain its reputation as a leading electronics manufacturer. While the establishment of the new factory in India presents significant opportunities for Foxconn, it also poses several challenges. One of the main challenges faced by Indian employees is the low wages they receive. According to a report by the Center for Development Studies, the average wage of a Foxconn worker in India is around ours, $10,000 per month, which is significantly lower than the minimum wage in several states in India. Another challenge faced by Indian employees is the working conditions in Foxconn's factories. Reports of poor working conditions, long working hours, and inadequate safety measures have been reported in several of Foxconn's factories in India. The company has faced criticism from several human rights organizations for its treatment of workers in its Indian factories. Apple is one of Foxconn's largest customers, and the establishment of the new factory in India is expected to help the company meet the growing demand for Apple's products. However, the COVID-19 pandemic has had a significant impact on the global electronics industry, and Foxconn has been no exception. In 2022, the company reported a decline in revenue due to the pandemic's impact on global supply chains. To address the challenges posed by the pandemic, Foxconn has implemented several measures, including the establishment of new production facilities in India. The company has also announced plans to increase its investments in India, with a focus on developing the country's electronics manufacturing industry. The establishment of the new factory in India presents significant opportunities for Foxconn to strengthen its position in the global electronics market. However, the challenges faced by Indian employees and the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on global supply chains cannot be ignored. As Foxconn continues to expand its operations in India, it must prioritize the well-being of its employees and ensure that its operations are sustainable and socially responsible. Alright, so that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content. See you guys on the next one.